Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone video option disappear on iPhone camera app in iOS 14.4. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Turn on some features under camera preserve settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap camera. On the camera page, tap preserve setting, turn on camera mode. Tip number 2. Turn on turn off aeroplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Turn on aeroplane mode, then wait for few seconds and turn off it. Tip number 3. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap journal. On the journal page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device, then wait for few seconds and turn on it. Tip number 4. Check your software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap journal. On the journal page, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Tip number 5. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8, 8 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the volume down button. iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the home button. Thanks for watching this video.